Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day we're picking up the pickup. We're gonna be on the way shortly and I'm gonna go pick it up and we're gonna go have a closer inspection on the sandblasting. I'm super keen to actually see how it's come out, and obviously it's been primed as you saw in the previous video. But yeah, gonna be on the way shortly to go pick it up and then I'll catch you guys there. See you in a bit. So we're almost there, guys. We're in Joburg. I'm literally about 5 minutes away from the Sandblasters. Very excited to see how the menu looks. I actually can't wait. I got a feeling, well, I mean, as we saw the photos, you saw the footage on the last episode, but I don't know, I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm super excited. I literally just had to come through Joburg as well today, drop with my mom and pick up some other stuff while we're in Joburg, this side of the world. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys at the Sandblasters. We're back, guys, and we have the pickup. I am honestly so stoked. It came out amazingly. I'm on the way to go meet my mom for some lunch, and when I get there I'll do a bit of a walk around and show you guys how it looks. I am beyond happy with it. I mean, and the price that I paid for it being sandblasted and primed is absolutely nothing. It is so reasonable, and you realize when you start trying to take paint off things by yourself, and wow, it becomes such a mission, such a job, that you appreciate what other people can offer as a service. And this I can recommend totally. Sandblasting, priming, do it. Classic minis, classic cars, do it. Don't even second guess, just pay it, and it makes everything so much better. So I will stand with the guys that say sandblasting is a thing and you should do it. I agree, you should definitely sandblast and make sure everything's fine. Totally agree with them. I will show you the car in a bit. And here we have it, guys, in all of its glory. I am honestly so stoked the way it came out. It could have been a lot worse. I mean, wow, you can see everything. It did such a good job. I really need to get in here with some high pressure, some air, and just blow out all of this loose stuff that's inside here. That's the problem with sandblasting, but that's not a problem. I guess on the way home now, driving, we'll find out what's not there and what's there. But you can see everything. I am honestly, and I knew this was a problem because we found that out in a couple of videos ago. And the floor in the back, I'm really still decently, pleasantly surprised. Here, I can all just plug that. I can plug that side. I'm gonna get a custom-made alley tank in any case. Not going to get an original tank because it's not worth it. I mean, it's so much money, especially if you're buying original mini stuff. But the rest of the body itself is relatively in a decent condition. I'm honestly so shocked. It's crazy though. But I'm so happy with the way it came out. I mean, you can see here, this is basically nothing there. Here at the back, this is like we said the last time, we figured that out too. Overall, people always say, "Yeah, should you do that to classic cars?" Yes, you should. Just get them sandblasted. It is so worth it at the end of the day. I mean, now I know what I'm dealing with. I can order panels that I need. I mean, the floor, I don't know really how bad that is yet, but when we get home, we'll put it up on jack stands and we can have a proper good look at it. But guys, I'm so stoked. I'm so happy with the way this thing came out. I think it's going to be an absolute incredible project. But for now, I think it's going to wrap it up. I'll catch you guys back on it. Guys, we back. The car's home. Pickup's back in the garage. I've been going through it for the past couple, not even, like the past hour. And it's a lot of work. It is, yes. But it's doable. It really is. And I'm stoked. I'm honestly so excited to get started on this. I've never done anything this big at all. I mean, this is kind of big, but it's not as big as this project I'm going to undertake here. I need to decide now on which panels to order now from Mini Spares and what not to order and what I think I can fix and what I can't fix. Maybe I should just bring in a professional as well, but just to who's done body work and that before. But I'm going to hop onto the good old interweb and just find out what guys have been doing, you know, because then once you find out what other guys are doing, you can get a bit of an idea, and from there, basically take it and see what's going to happen. First things I also need to do, though, is I need to bring the back of this pickup straight. I need to bring it completely down in here, straight up, so it's not at an angle anymore, like the estate was. So that's also going to be a thing. But guys, I am, I'm over the moon. I'm honestly ecstatic about how nicely this thing came out. It is very savable, extremely savable. Front end I can get, wings I can even get. Might even be a plan just to order new wings and just completely refresh the front of this car. Guys, I am so stoked. And yes, sandblast your classic Mini. Sandblast your classic car. It's not a problem. Honestly, sandblasting isn't, especially if you take it to guys who know what they're doing. You know, if you take it to guys who don't know what they're doing, there's a problem. They're just going to go full send on it, and you're going to warp panels, you're going to destroy things. But take it to guys, they know what they're doing, and look at the outcome. Guys, I'm literally so stoked. This is going to be big. I've got such good progress already. I've got such good momentum at the moment now. Like, we're not going to stop. We're going to bang this thing out. We're going to make some new stuff on the board and on the to-do list, write out a list, and then see what I have to do and what I don't have to do. But I think that is effectively going to wrap up today's video, guys. And just thanks so much for the support again, the comments, and the likes, the subscribe. The channel's growing substantially, and it's just so amazing to see me doing what I love and people appreciating it. It's so sick. It's honestly amazing. Guys, thank you so much for everything. It's amazing. This is going to be big. This is going to be something huge. For now, I think that's where we're going to end. As always, guys, like, subscribe, all those good things. And don't forget to always send it.